Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove cameos on Snapchat. So if you made a cameo on Snapchat and don't know how to remove it cause it's annoying and you don't like it, so you're in the right place. So what you're gonna do is let's open our Snapchat first. Here's my Snapchat, so let's tap on that. Now let's go to chats. In the chats, what we're gonna do is select our profile that's on top left corner. In here, what we're gonna do is on the top right corner, there's a gear button that's settings. So let's tap on that. Here in the settings, what we're gonna do is we're gonna find cameos. So here is the cameo option, so let's tap on that. So here in the cameos option, there we can see there's change my cameo selfie. Here by clicking that you can change your cameo selfie. And here's change my body type. So like if you change your gender or something, you can change that here. Here you can see who can use my selfie cameo. That's to my friends. You can change that also. See my cameo selfie in ads. My friends can do that. And you can change that also. By scrolling down, you can see clear my cameo selfie. So what we're gonna do is tap on that. It will again ask me to clear my cameo selfie. So what we're gonna do is tap on clear. So here you go guys, you have removed that annoying cameo from your Snapchat. So that's it for today's guys. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. And I'm gonna see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.